Hi, I'm Mel Romulo. I will show you MMM ideology, rules, and how it works. What is MMM? MMM is a global community of financial aid and donation exchange. Peer-to-peer system, participants transfer donation directly to the account of other members. Assigned system reward called Mabro, enjoyed by active participants and managers. It is not a bank, business, company, nor investment. It has no central account, meaning we do not transfer our money to MMM. Instead, we send our donation directly to the recipient's account. No promises, no guarantee. Besides, these are our donation to those participants who join the community that need help. There's no law that says donation is illegal. Okay, so what is in it for you? Our rewards. It gives 30% per month of your provided help. And also referral bonus, 10% of the help provided by the people you invited to join MMM. Registration bonus ranging $20, $50 to $100. A 20% to 100% growth rate with MMM Extra. Manager's bonus, leadership bonus, and etc. How does it work? Let's say donation of 1,000 pesos. You will receive Mabro equivalent to the amount you donated. You will get 1,000 Mabros. Growth rate of Mabro ranging 30% per month. It will continue to grow until you decided to get help from the community. MMM also has this new MMM Extra, wherein your Mabros can grow up to 100%. So let's see what will happen to your 1,000 peso donation. As you can see in this table, let's say you decided to get help in the community 12 months after you donated 1,000 peso. You will be receiving 23,298 pesos, in which much bigger than your amount donated. It sounds interesting, right? How do we send or receive donation? We use Bitcoin in sending receiving donation. You may create your Bitcoin wallet at Bitcoin chain.information. Our goal: help all the people in the world. Create a new fair financial relationship in the community. Financial literacy. Stop economic slavery, and most of all, financial freedom. Sergey Madrobi, founder of MMM, founder and leader of the MMM Social Financial Community. MMM is sure to be his life work, but not only one. He's having a degree in mathematics, worked as a programmer, and took part in the development of the first operating system. The company he founded was one of the leading computer equipment distributors in Russia. He was a deputy of the Russian parliament. We are 138 million members in 107 countries. And 4 years of activity and $14 billion assistance provided. So what are you waiting for? Be part of the community, and let's together we change the world.